In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Jira Timeout error step by step using simple and proven methods that work in most situations. If you've ever been stuck waiting for Jira to load, seeing timeout messages while opening boards, calendars, or issues, you're not alone. This problem is very common and can usually be fixed in just a few minutes without any technical changes. I'll walk you through each solution, from the fastest fix to more advanced checks, so you can get back to work as quickly as possible. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should try when you see a Jira timeout error is simply refreshing the page and retrying the action. Sometimes Jira times out because of a temporary connection hiccup or a brief server delay. Go ahead and refresh your browser, then try opening the same board, calendar, or issue again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem instantly. If refreshing doesn't work, move on to the next step. The second solution is to try opening Jira in an Incognito window or a different browser entirely. Browser extensions, cached data, or cookies can interfere with how Jira loads. Open an Incognito or private window, sign into Jira, and try accessing the same page again. Alternatively, switch from Chrome to Edge, Firefox, or another browser. If Jira loads correctly there, the issue is likely related to your original browser setup. Next, try logging out of Jira completely and then logging back in. Session issues can sometimes cause timeouts, especially if your login token has expired. Click your profile icon, log out of Jira, close the browser tab, then reopen Jira and sign back in. Once logged in, try repeating the action that caused the timeout and see if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing timeouts, the next step is to check the Atlassian system status. Atlassian occasionally has outages or performance issues that affect Jira. Open a new tab and search for Atlassian status, then check if there are any ongoing incidents related to Jira software. If there is a reported issue, the best option is to wait until Atlassian resolves it, as this is not something you can fix locally. Another helpful workaround is to try a lighter action inside Jira. For example, instead of opening a heavy board or calendar view, try opening a single issue or a simpler page first. Large boards with many issues, filters, or automations can sometimes trigger timeouts, especially on slower connections. If lighter actions work, you can gradually return to heavier views once Jira stabilizes. The final step is to disable your VPN or switch to a different network. VPNs can increase latency and cause Jira requests to time out. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and refresh Jira. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or even a mobile hotspot to rule out network-related issues. Many users find that this immediately fixes persistent timeout errors. Once you've gone through these steps, Jira should load normally again without timeout messages. If this video helped you fix the Jira timeout error, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.